Oh man. All right, people. It is so sunny outside, and I want to do something a little daring. A smoked apple pie. Now, wasn't that you, baby, that said you ever thought about smoking an apple pie?
Yeah. Wonder how that's gonna turn out, you know?
Yeah, hey, we gonna find out.
What kind of wood are you gonna use?
Applewood.
Oh,
It makes sense, don't it?
yes.
Yeah. So what I got here is some Granny Smith apples. Peeling them by hand. Or you can order you one of them. I think I'm gonna do that one day. Order me one of those nice peelers.
Yeah.
The automatic ones. Yeah, I think I want to get me one of those.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Yep. But we ain't gonna bore the people with us just talking stuff to each other and watching me peel these apples like this. So we'll be right back. We're gonna of course chop around that. Bam. Throw those up in there like that. Like that. See? Nice and thick. Or if you don't want them that thick, we go ahead and cut them down the middle like that. Design this stuff the way you like it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see me or anybody else, we just a guide. It's like, okay, this is how we doing our thing. There's no absolute, but there are certain rules and certain things. Now, if you go too far out, it's like, all right, man, that right there ain't working. And you'll know when you taste it and when your folks taste it. Right? So I'm gonna finish chopping the rest of these up, and I'm gonna season these apples. I'm gonna actually soften them up a little bit too. So I don't like just throwing the apples in there like this to cook in the pie. Hey, baby, does it come out? It comes out like Baker's Square,
yes.
Like Baker's Square apple pie.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Like, no, I want to come out like a steakhouse apple pie, and like my mama's apple pie. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Don't mind me, y'all. Let me finish chopping these up and start getting us some tartness in there with a fresh squeezed lemon. We're gonna get a little of this zest up in there too. Man, I tell you, it's nothing like that smell of that fresh oil that coming off that zest of that lemon. That's gonna make it pop. And see, we ain't going too crazy. See, just like that. See, we just keeping a little on there. All right, that's it. Squeeze this on in there. Make it nice and tarty. Yeah. We picked out some good lemons.
Yeah. Got a lot of juice in that one.
Yeah. So now let's go ahead and put some butter up in there. We're gonna go with a half a cup. Half a cup. You've got like the regular store-bought butter. That's just one stick. We got the Kerrygold. You got the Kerrygold butter, and it's just half of this, baby. That's all. Teaspoon of salt. We got some cinnamon. About 4 teaspoons of that. We like it cinnamony. And well, let's do about a half teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Let's do about a half teaspoon of allspice. And I always like to put chili powder. So about 3/4 of a teaspoon of chili powder. I always like to put chili powder in my desserts. As you would say, baby, woo child. You can't do nothing without this vanilla extract. About a teaspoon and a half. It's gonna make everything just pop and smell real nice. Half a cup of regular sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. Ooh. And we got some fresh cornstarch. Oh, it's the wrong one you handed me, baby. But I'll figure it out. We do about a 1/3 cup. Ooh, almost forgot one little thing. Some cloves. Just a little sprinkle like that. That's all you need. Oh, doing like the kids do. Making a mess. All right. I'm about to dump this in here with the butter going first. Oh yeah. Ooh, how many apples did I use? About 7?
Yeah.
About 7 apples. Yeah. So I like to do this, y'all, because this makes it nice and caramely and super rich tasting. And I like my apples tender. Oh yeah. You smell that already? See what we got now? This is what's gonna make your apple pie taste extra good. Look at that. Look at all that. You see all that caramel, baby? Man, come on. And we gonna smoke it.
That smells good.
All right, let me take it off this fire. Let it cool. And then we're gonna go ahead and assemble that pie. Hey, what's going on?
Nothing. What happened?
These go in the pie. These go in the pie.
Sorry, it's so good.
All right, peeps. We get into the last step before we go on to the smoker. We got the Pillsbury pie crust. Coming soon, though. We're gonna be making our own pie crust. So that's coming soon. Don't worry about it. Grease it so it don't stick, and that nice bottom buttery flavor that it's gonna give on the bottom of the crust. Help it brown. Just do it like that. Get it greased up everywhere. You know, see my style? It's like roller skate. Yeah. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom,
Like
boom,
on
boom,
the
boom, boom,
turntables.
boom, boom, boom. So lay this baby out. All right. We got the big pie dish. I think this is the 9.5. It's gonna be a pretty big pie. And we gonna enjoy it. Just like that. Look at all that nice butter that's gonna come off on the sides like that. Hey baby, I see why you had to sneak some of these apples.
You see? That looks so good. It tastes so good.
Make this almost like a dessert by itself, just the apples. With this big pie, we probably could have used them whole bag of apples. It's all right though. Yes, baby. Like that. Nice and beautiful, crusty. Oh yeah. We gotta put our little slits up in here. Like that. 'Cause it's gonna need some room to breathe. Once that fire gets going. You know, if you're artistic and stuff like that, then you can really make it look fly. Yeah. I'm the regular guy, so this should be good enough, right? We gotta put some sugar on top.
Pretty please with sugar on top.
That's right. Now I'll be like, okay. So I'm gonna do it like that, y'all. I ain't gonna put no egg wash on mine. So I'm gonna let it go like that. And what I am gonna do, so it doesn't get like dark too quick, I'm gonna put like a little tint over the pie, probably like halfway through. All right, see how we look? Yeah. Smoking with applewood too. We're just going straight on top. We'll see you back, sweet apple pie. Let's give it about an hour, but we'll check back about 40 minutes to tint it. Oh man. Sorry about that, y'all. They cutting grass today. I thought I was gonna beat them by being up early. They up early too. Cover that up like that. So next time y'all see this, it's gonna be inside. We're just gonna let it cool down, because we gotta let it cool down for about 4 hours. And then we're gonna slice into it and have us some smoky goodness apple pie, or we're gonna be like, ugh. Ugh. We'll find out. Yes. A smoke masterpiece. like the way that look, don't you, baby? Cut me a nice slice. Yeah. You hear that nice crunch? Okay, I hope we let it cool long enough. Okay. If not, yeah. Okay, came out decent. We left a little of the crust. That's some crust. Look how it was still, you know, crusty. Go ahead and eat the crust. Delicious. Wait a minute. Ain't that like your favorite part anyway? Let's go ahead and do it. We're going all the way. Since we did it, we might as well go a la mode, baby. Got the Haagen-Dazs on deck. A nice, generous scoop. Baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's one of my IG reel shots there, ain't it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get a description of what this tastes like. First, just the apple pie itself. It's a whole nother level. And it's just like, the smokiness is really just slight. It's not like you would have thought that it would have been like overpowering. It's like it's just right. It's like a missing piece of like something that's already great. All right. Now we try it. A la mode. You already know you can't lose with the Haagen-Dazs. That amps it up even more. Woo. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go finish this up before my ice cream melt. Shawana is looking at it. She's salivating and all that good stuff. So, hey, y'all saw how it's done? It's super easy. It only stayed in the smoker for like 50 minutes. 50 minutes, and you know, after a half an hour, y'all saw me tint it. Another 20 minutes, it was ready to come off. So, do this outside. I don't care if you got a gas grill, a Weber kettle, whatever you got. You know, all set, do this, you're gonna enjoy it. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you for always looking. Peace.